I don't know how to explain it, guys. I don't know. Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Sonix haul. And I'm super excited because this time this cases has Magsafe, which I have been collecting so far. If you see that my lighting goes on and off, it's because like the clouds is covering the sun. Yeah, just telling you guys just in case you see. I'm going to be unboxing a couple of cases and a charging station. After a week, I guess, or 2 weeks, they've released more cases for the springtime. And they are super colorful. I love it. They have the tie-dye, and I think Mardi Gras is around the corner, so they have that case too. Sonix is just really ready for the springtime, so you guys should check it out. I'll put the link down in the description box on their website and also on their Amazon. I love these colors. Now I regret that I did not wait, but we still have these cases that we're gonna unbox today, and without further ado, here it is. 3 cases here and a accessory. So let's start. I'm not gonna look. Oh, this is my favorite. So I like that they have this bag right here that says this bag is recyclable, and the color actually changed. This case is going to be the Purple Rain with Magsafe for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Instructions right here. As you can see the name of the case right in here. There's Sonix brand in here. Here, drop tested and Magsafe compatible. Join the club. Wow. Oh, you can see the Magsafe inside. Instructions for the warranty. Wow, look at that color. I super love it because it has pink on it. Wow, pretty. Their branding, it's below, and especially with the Magsafe inside, I'd be able to use this. Ooh, I can feel the Magsafe there. I'm using now my Apple silicone case in white duplicate. If you guys have not seen this duplicates, I will be linking it also down in the description box. This is why I love making videos. Can actually myself see how pretty this case is. They have included a Sonix warranty, a lifetime warranty. So if you have problems with this breaking in the bottom, if you're not using the wireless charger for this, usually the one that breaks first is the bottom, you can actually return it to them and then we'll give you a new one, I guess. And what I love, guys, the sides are so soft. Holy cow, it's so soft. See that I have a different clothing. The memory card that I used to film this video, some of the files there got corrupted, so I have to redo this part. So just giving you guys a heads up. So the next case is going to be the brown Tort right here. This is a classic. I've done a brown Tort. No, it was actually it's a cheetah print on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, but this is really a classic one. I want to own a case like this, and especially with a Magsafe. So let's unbox this. And you can see a brown Tort name in there. There you go. I love it, guys. So shiny or reflective. And there is a Magsafe inside, And let's try it on our phone here. There you go. It looks so nice. I love it. Branding in the bottom. They have a raised screen right here, as you can see. The camera raised. Look, it's not that bulky. I don't know if they have a video for this for their 10 feet drop test, but I'm gonna try find that video and show you guys. I did not know, but this is also a scratch resistant. But my nails is kind of long here. Yeah, I don't feel in any way that it will get scratched. And it is a Magsafe compatible, so we're gonna try our Magsafe wireless charger here from Sonix. There you go. I think it doesn't show the animation, but you can see that it's charging here. So the last case is going to be called the match. It's matching your iPhone, so I got the gold one. Oh, I kind of broke this. Put that back. Wow. Clear case. You guys know that we love clear cases. Oh wow, kind of stiff sides here. Sonix branding here. They got a Magsafe look, and then connected up to here. Okay, let's try it on our phone. Oh wow, it looks awesome. Wow, we have a raised bumper on the camera hole right in here. Looks kind of unique. Looks good with our wallpaper there. Matte sides here. And matte bottom. Look at the front. I think that this case is worth the price. 45 bucks with Magsafe and very stylish and cute. I think I'm sold. Yeah, I love it. I feel like my phone right now is so fancy. Okay, I'm talking about my impression already on these cases. I've seen one of the reviews on their website that it kind of made the case thicker. With it being thick, it's in a good way. I've had cases that is really molded on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it feels really good, but with this it's a little bit thick, but it's good in the hands. I have enough grip for it. I feel good when I'm texting. The last one that we're gonna unbox here is the accessories for this Magsafe cases. I don't know if they have it on Amazon, but I'm gonna check it if it's in there, and again I'm gonna put it in the description box so that you don't have to find it. Ooh, that was easy. And we got 3 accessories here. Let's unbox this here. Let's find out what we My mic is peaking. I didn't even notice that. So let's unbox this first. This is the magnetic link wireless charger. There's another one under, and there is a instruction inside. This is what it looks like here. Oh, it's kind of soft. And they don't have the charging brick, but I have one here. Oh, that's super long. Wow. Can actually take this off right here. Oh wow, that's good. Here. Ta-da! But it doesn't have an animation. Let's unbox this Pedestal magnetic phone stand here. I got the color gold Here is the pedestal. Wow. Amazing. So wait, how do you do this? Just flip it, or wait. Grab our wireless charger here, magnetize it at the back. Magsafe compatible case, which is our brown Tort. There you go. Oh, I love it. You can set it on tables or in your computer table or anywhere you want, or maybe in the kitchen if you're using your phone to check recipes or ingredients while you're baking or cooking. So with this pedestal magnetic phone stand, it's nice because it is foldable, so you can travel with it. So final impression, guys, I love these cases right here. They look so cute, they look so stylish, and it looks like they are very durable. It will last you for a long time if you want to use this as your main case. I love that the buttons are super soft, which is very important to me. Bottom has a cover so your phone will be protected when you drop it. Purple Rain and the match is available for iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12. They don't have it for the iPhone 12 mini. The brown Tort, they are available with MagSafe for the iPhone 12 series. They are also available without the MagSafe for the iPhone 12 series. With this package here, it includes the magnetic wireless charger, pedestal magnetic phone stand, is available in 4 different colors: gold, the silver, the graphite, and the Pacific blue. I want to add to that, if you are not interested with getting their wireless charger because you have your own MagSafe charger which you got from Apple, then you could use that actually with a pedestal. And it actually has the animation. Yeah, if you are just interested with the pedestal phone stand, then you can just get that instead of getting the whole Powerstation package. Feel like this wireless charger here is better than the MagSafe charger of Apple because you can take that off, guys. So again, everything will be down in the description box if you guys are interested. So just making this outro, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.